Hey guys, this is John at L&M Marine, and today we wanted to go over some of our Excel Bay Pro series. Real quick, we'll start with the Bay Pro 183 behind me. This is a really unique boat. It's an 18-foot boat, padded hull design. Actually built at a 160 gauge or 0.160 gauge hull. Really cool features inside this boat. Of course, you will notice the OptiFade timber camo pattern that we have. We do have it equipped with the Yamaha 90 Show. Of course, 24-volt trolling motor up front. The Humminbird Helix 5. That is a fish finder, GPS, a color screen. This boat actually will come with 2 fold-up fishing chairs. One really unique thing in an 18-foot boat, typically because of the console configuration, you give up a live well. So this boat still has 2 live wells. And that live well, that second live well or bait well, is plumbed up front. So you still are able to maintain that 2 live well bait well system that you see in the 20-foot boat, and we'll talk about the 20 in just a second here. But you'll notice really compartmentalized storage up front. The Excel does a really good job with their cap rail system. It has a T-channel track system where you can mount additional accessories. We really like that. On both sides, you'll have a rod storage with a rod organizer in here. Zach, you can come around and take a shot of that real quick. You can see in there, I don't know if the camera shows it, but you do have rod organizer on that side, and then spaghetti mat material on the bottom. The other side's just wide open. So, and those rod organizers are easy to take out if you don't want that. Rod holders, we have full instrumentation on this boat. This boat is equipped with twin recircs as well, so your forward and rear live well bait wells have separately mounted pumps that recirculate that water. So pretty cool thing. Also, as you got real large jump seats in 18-foot, and also this pad will fall forward and you can get in there as well, like just if you will, like a catch-all storage bin for any of your fishing equipment, pliers, that kind of deal. Real high transom too, you'll see on Excels for some of the other competitors. It's just a little bit higher freeboard than what you typically see in these aluminum bay boats. Manual jack plate, and then of course we do have the stainless steel swim ladder, and all of our Excels are riding on aluminum Diamond City trailers. Most of all of our trailers are going to have the composite bunk board covers. That's a great feature for saltwater. Really protects, really isolates that aluminum if you're going to use a boat in saltwater. And of course, like mag wheels and that kind of thing. And I'm going to wrap this up real quick on this Bay Pro 183, but this is also a ready now boat. So you might have seen a video earlier in the week from us. We are trying that this year. We're going to have several of our models that are going to be ready to go, so you can show up that day, figuring out your financing, we figure out your payments, that kind of deal, and we get the boater, it's already PDI'd, everything ready to roll. So, but yeah, that wraps it up on the 183. Give us a call anytime, 251-937-1380, or you can reach us online at www.southernfishingboats.com. Thanks for watching.